new indie updates now. Update 28.0. What's new? Profile share with your progress. Unlock exclusive last vote winner. The winner. The chainsaw win. A new vote started. New item. We changed up instruments. Music improvements. Updated mod editor. So, the vote that wins was the chainsaw. You could saw them in half. Just kidding. Here's the chainsaw. It's made out of plastic and this metal thing is like made out of metal. The saw and the thing. And the wood is like made out of plastic. Let's see how it works. Whoa, the game became more realistic now. You know that update that when they changed the sounds? Now the game became more realistic. See? Saw that blood came out of him? They added blood. I'm gonna chainsaw everything. Let's see if it cuts wood. Oh, I can use this for haircuts. I like it, but you need a haircut. Let's. And you're going bald. You need a haircut. Nope. Does it cut wood? Let's. This is my fake chainsaw that I got from my. I don't know why they call the chainsaw useless. Like the circular saw is not that useless. We love the chainsaw and the circular saw. We should love every update. You should not hate updates. Comment what is your favorite update. See, they look similar. What's the difference? Does it cut wood? Oh, I want to make a cake. Happy birthday to you. Shut the hell up. Ooh. Yeah. It does. Unlike Fruit Playground. Yeah, unlike Fruit Playground. It doesn't cut off like the crates or. Let's see if it cuts the table. Yes, it does. Does it cut anything? Bam! It actually does. Snow. I cut snow. Oh, cut off the ice. Does it cut off anything like wood? Like wooden stuff? Wooden. Could it cut concrete then? Yes, he does. Hope it doesn't cut the floor. Yeah, so if like I'm gonna try to bust this myth. If you get a chainsaw and cut this ball, it deflates. It turns flat. Let's bust this myth. Well, I could say this. It's a myth. What about Frozen? If it's Frozen. There's nothing. I don't know. Whoa, you can check this out. Waiting. I could look at my status. Achievements. Here is my achievements. I want to look at his achievements. Whoa, he has a lot of achievements. But in the future, I'm gonna get more than that. I'm gonna give. So they said they changed. So they said they changed it. Huh? Whoa, that's so beautiful. That's so cool now. It's cooler. They said they I don't care about your vacation. Skip ad. Jesus Christ. Like I was saying, they changed the music editor. So they said they changed the mod editor even more. So that there's icons now. Don't you see that? Select files? What? That's beautiful. You know, you could also throw items. Look, that was added a long time ago, like 5 months ago. So that my goodness, look what this beautiful. I want to do what? It's beautiful. Projectiles. I choose the synthesizer. Save. No. What else? No. Dang it. So the adding collect profiles. A new vote started. Some improvements. Dang. So there is a bug. Let me show you. What? The blaze of it. It just. See, it like destroys thing. So yesterday, when the musical update came out, this thing doesn't like remove, but now it does. What about this secret? Does it still work? Come on, please work. Oh no! Come on, please work. No. Is it working? Is it working? Let me try it. No, it doesn't work anymore. What about this? Tomorrow. No, it's not fixed. Yes. See you later.